Good morning, guys. So I just woke up. You can kind of tell in my voice that I'm getting a little sick. It may just be like a cold flu, because honestly, not a cold flu, but like, you know what I mean, like a cold, whatever, the weather changing. So I just put some bagels in the oven and I am about to start working. So I have my laptop. I'm watching this video with Snoop Dogg and Kevin Hart. Pretty much what I need to do today is I need to research some stuff for Capital Logistics, figure out what I'm doing with Capital Staffing, edit a video, post some pictures on Instagram. And I was thinking about working out, but I really don't want to go to the gym if I am sick, so I'll probably work out in here in my... Why didn't I bring a jacket? Okay guys, so I'm feeling better, so I'm about to go to the nail salon, because if I try to go tomorrow, it might be, you know, too crowded. Bruh, this will not let me change my time. So yeah, I'm about to get these babies fixed. We're about to get these babies fixed. And I'm about to, yeah, just go to the freaking nail salon. Good morning, guys. So, grand rising, guys. I am making some eggs. I'm about to just cook. I'm about to drink some orange juice, everything like that. I did actually go get my nails done yesterday. These edges looking crazy, but yeah, I did get my nails done yesterday, so they're really cute. I got my toes done as well. So yeah, I'm about to just cook, finish working. I'm gonna be dropping a video tonight. It's not this video, it's another video, sit down video, which you probably already saw that video if you're watching this video. I really want to get my TV mounted, so I think that I'm just going to go on Thumbtack. I don't know if you guys know, but there is a service called Thumbtack, and it allows you to like book someone to come in and, ew, this just fell. They allow, wait, what? Oh yeah, they allow you to book like a TV mounter or something like that to come in and do whatever service you need. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and book that, because I really just want my TV up. Like, I want my apartment to be cozy, y'all. And my friend was gonna do it, but they didn't know if oh yeah, if you guys can see my bed, don't judge my bed, because I got right up and just started working, because I woke up late. I woke up at like 10, and I was just sitting there just thinking, yeah, I'm really trying to do better with this scheduling. I'm trying to do better with my scheduling and like my productivity and how I organize my days, because right now the way I organize my days, I think it's just like unintentional, like I don't know. So I really am just trying to be better. So yeah, like I was saying, I think I'm just like jumping from subject to subject, as always. I don't know why I always do that. I'm gonna just hire someone from that service website to come in and mount my damn TV, because like we need some structure. Cheers to a good day. Cheers to a productive day. Cheers to getting shit done. Cheers to a healthy mindset. Cheers to a healthy lifestyle. Cheers to healthy friendships and relationships with your family members and your significant others. Cheers to happiness. Cheers. So I'm gonna take my gummies now. I'm just waiting for my... You have to take 3 of these, literally. 3 of these gummies. I'm just waiting for my bagels to be done, and I'll be good to go. Y'all, this is how I like my bagels. White. Like, as long as I can see the toastiness on the bottom, I'm good. This is also how I grab my donuts. This is also how I grab my bagels out of the oven. And here is breakfast. Eggs, bagels, orange juice. I just sit back over there, sit back over here, eat my breakfast, and then I'll TTY out, guys. Hey guys, okay, so today's been a day. The last time I talked to y'all, I was eating breakfast. So I got my TV mounted. You already saw my couch, and I also got this mirror mounted. So really I just need to get some bar stools. I'm about to go to Target right now. I was gonna actually make more content. Well, I'm making content right now. I was gonna make some content for a different type of field that I'm gonna be going into, but I really want to go to Target and get some more stuff for my apartment. So I'm heading to Target right now. I'm gonna get some LED lights for my TV. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this plant for my island. I like how big it is, and I think it'll be great to sit next to my sink. So I'm gonna get this, and then I have this. There's me, this wine holder, because I love wine. So I'm gonna get this wine glass, this wine rack, but I can only put 3 bottles in there. Y'all, I just had to get these 3 to of course fill up my wine rack, because if not, then what's the point of the wine rack? You know, okay? If you know, you freaking know that that is the wine to go. Personally, I like sweet wine, so yeah. Slowly but surely stacking up. So I got a bathroom rug, a plant for my island, wine rag. This is a toilet bowl cleaner, some refills for it, scents, and a water bottle, because your girl needs to start drinking more water with a lemon. So yeah, all I need to get right now is what else I need to get? I don't know. I don't think I need to get anything else. So I'm at Lowe's because I am super impatient, and so I'm at Lowe's because I'm super impatient and I got the wrong length for LED lights. So I know Lowe's sell them, so I'm here to get oh my God, I thought that was a bug. I'm here to get them. Here are some lights. These are not the ones that I want, but where are the ones that I want? Because they said they had them in stock. I don't know. This is the light wall. Let me go ask somebody, because I don't know where they're at. Oh man, I left the house without my retainer. If anybody has ever had Invisalign, you know you need to have them things in your mouth 24/7 or your teeth will not shift. So let me ask somebody where these lights are at. So I found the right one. So let's put this baby on my TV. I have a 65-inch, so let's see. I mean, I guess. Okay guys, I gotta take these back because they are not long enough. So I took them down off camera, but yeah, they're not long enough and it's gonna irritate me. So I just ordered some from Amazon and I'll just go with those. Those are gonna fit a 65-inch because these only fit, like, I think it said like 30 to 65-inch, but how is that possible? Because a 30-inch, you know what I mean? Or was it like a, yeah, it was like a 30 to 40-inch to a 65-inch. Like that's not gonna work. I'm wrapping these back up and I'm returning them because they don't fit for me. They just don't fit. So yeah. Hey guys, I just cleaned my bathroom, so I am about to organize my drawers. These little organization trays from Amazon, and in my last apartment they fit perfectly because there wasn't that much space. But now I have so much more space. Like in this apartment, I have to organize everything out, and the way my OCD OCD is. Stuff hasn't been organized and it's been bothersome. Is that the right word? It's been bothersome. So I'm just taking everything out. I'm about to organize it. I need to get some earrings. I have no earrings. I have not worn earrings in a few days now. And I don't know how I feel about that. Hold on. Today I'm supposed to get my LED strips that I had ordered because, you know, it wasn't the right size in the one that I got. Okay, let's take everything out. Because the space is so big, I think I can only put it like this and it's gonna be some extra space. Can you guys see? So it's still this extra space right here. I'll go like this and put that like that. I can put these back here. Let me give you guys the backstory of my closet. Before I moved to Miami, I got rid of basically all of my clothes because I assumed I was going to be in Miami for a long period of time and I wanted to revamp everything. I haven't quite came back from giving everything away. So I have what I have and that's pretty much it. I don't have a lot of clothes because I'm still like coming back and there's only like certain pieces that I'm looking for. Like I'm only buying certain colors of like clothes. It just has to be perfect because when I would go shopping for clothes and stuff, I would just pick up things here and there that really didn't express who I am. So now I'm trying to be super careful and like picky with things I buy. So yeah, I haven't quite fully came back from like giving all my clothes away, which is okay. I'm not in a rush or anything. Like I don't really go anywhere these days anyway, so I'm not in a rush. But yeah, like white crop tops is like my vibe. White long sleeve crop tops. I do want to get a like cream puffer coat because it's super cold in Dallas. So yeah, I'm just being super cautious with what I buy and I'm not in a rush to like buy things or anything. So yeah, but started my closet. I didn't finish it because I was too lazy, if I'm being honest. Also, fun fact, I never hung my clothes like this, but there's always, you know, I don't know. So yeah, like this new dress I had got, like I really am trying to just stay with certain vibes, I guess. Did I hang it like this? This is a dress, so like this, come on. No way. That's gonna bother my OCD. Is this better, guys? Oh, it still bothers my OCD. Why am I like this? And I'll just have to remember that it's a dress. I don't know. Clutch Collections in the building. This is my friend Karina's brand. It's a little bralette and some kind of like spandex shorts. 2022, I low-key want to start getting more into fashion, but like I said, I'm still figuring out my vibe. I'm still figuring out my style. So it just depends, but I low-key want to get more into like fashion and stuff. See, like this random orange dress, it doesn't express me. I really can't see myself wearing a bright orange dress like this, so I just got it.